Do you know there are people who do e-commerce without a website, without a landing page, without all of those stuff, and they are making some good amount of money every month? That's why I'm making this video. So I just got off the gym right now and I decided to make this video to show you how you can start e-commerce this year. The easiest way you can start e-commerce this year. You don't need to have a website, yeah. However, you must know that when it is easier, it involves that a lot of people will troop in. Again, it also involves that it will take a lot of your time. All right. But however, if you are patient enough to see this through, I can assure you one thing: if you have a WhatsApp, if you have Instagram, okay, and if you have Facebook, then you can do e-commerce. You can make a lot of money doing e-commerce. Hi, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Courage, and in this channel we talk about how to make money online. We talk about anything that will help you make money, improve your life, and have a better living. Okay, so I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Just like the video so that more people on YouTube get to see my video. If you are new here and you'd like to see more content on how you can make money and improve your life and how you can also grow your business, consider subscribing to my channel, and also turn on the bell icon. So hit that bell button so that you be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. So without wasting time, let's dive into the business of the day. The easiest way to make money in e-commerce this year, even if you don't have a website. Now, ideally, for you to do e-commerce perfectly, the right way that will take away stress from you, you need a website, WordPress, page builders, and all of stuff. Ideally, if you want to do it the way that will take away stress and also save your time, yeah. But if you don't know how to do all those stuff, if you don't have that time yet, just want to hit the ground running, then I can assure you that if you have a WhatsApp, you have Instagram and Facebook, then you can get started. All right? It will only take more of your time. Well, I mean, if you don't have money a lot, if you don't have a lot of money, you should have a lot of time. I mean, you cannot be broke and not have time. So if you don't have a lot of money, you should have a lot of time. So if you invest that time that you have into this, what I'm going to teach you now, then definitely you're going to make money. Okay. However, the first or the most important skill you need at this point is how to run adverts on Facebook. Once you are able to run advert on Facebook and on Instagram, especially Instagram, right? Once you're able to run advert on these platforms, then I think it solves the issue. The next thing you need to think about is product research. There are different ways that you can research for products. There are different marvelous ways. You can use Gigi. If you're in Nigeria, you can use Gigi. If you're in Ghana, you can use Gigi. If you're in Kenya, you can use Gigi. If you're in Tanzania, you can use Gigi. Do you understand? So Gigi is not limited to Nigerian audience only. So Gigi you can use it across different African countries. Yeah. When we sell to places like Ghana and Kenya, there's Gigi. I have students in Tanzania. They use Gigi. Right? So you can use Gigi for your local market to do your research. Find a simple product that solves simple problems. And here is something about e-commerce. Your product, when you are doing a business, your business or your product has to meet a need. In e-commerce, when you are selling, sometimes it doesn't have to meet a particular need. People just see a product that tickles their fancy and instantly they order for it. So find a product that people would like to use. It either solves a problem or it massages their ego. A product that either solves a problem, makes them stand out, gives them class, or massages their ego. People will spend money on such products. Okay, so I'm not going to dwell on product research in this video. The aim of this video is to teach you simply how to start e-commerce the easy way this year moving forward. Find a product, have a Facebook page, have an Instagram profile, link your Instagram profile to your Facebook page. Okay, these things are easy. You don't need any high intellectual capacity to do these things. It's easy. So once you have the product, you have Instagram, you have Facebook, okay, you simply create an advert. Use the sales objective. Listen, go to your ads manager. Use sales objective. Now, because you don't have a website, you are going to select WhatsApp as your sales system when you get to the ad set level. Okay, During the campaign level, at the campaign stage, at the campaign objective level, you select sales. Then when you get to the ad set level, you select WhatsApp. The reason is that so that when people see your advert either on Facebook or on Instagram, okay, they will click on message this business. When they click on that message button, it will lead them straight to your WhatsApp. Now, the easiest way for you to trim down the number of time wasters and number of people who will say I'll get back to you is that you are going to make a very good advert creative. That is your video. In this case, you're going to be using a video, not pictures. Use a video. So in your video, you will give a very good explanation of the product. You will give a detailed, in fact, your video has to sell the product. Your video has to be not long, please, not a very long video, short video, less than 1 minute, but let it capture attention, let it grab their interest, let it give them details, and let it make them desire the product. If you can create a video in less than 1 minute that will strike desire in the mind or in the heart of your audience, you will cash out doing e-commerce. I mean, you can be selling wristwatch, maybe cheap wristwatch like 25,000 naira wristwatch. Okay, maybe your profit is 6,000 or 5,000 or 7K per sale. You can be selling stuff like that. But let your video, because you don't have a landing page, because you don't have a sales page where you are going to write detailed information about the product. So you are now using a video to give them complete detailed information about the product. Completely. All right? Use that video to run adverts. If you are using Instagram, make sure that your page has a lot of other products that you have posted every day. Post 3 reels every day. Make sure your page has a lot of other products, because sometimes when people see your adverts, they click on that advert, they will come to your profile. They may not buy exactly what you are advertising. They will see something else on your page that they like. They will buy that stuff. That's why I advise my students. Don't just open a page today and start running adverts today. No, it's not magic now. It is business. Be patient. For the next 2 weeks, for the next 3 weeks, for the next 30 days, post at least 3 to 5 reels every day. Different products, good caption, different marketing angle, clean videos. People are making money every day without landing page, without sales page, without all those plenty talk. Simply Instagram advert, they message you on Instagram DM, or Instagram advert, send them to your WhatsApp. The reason why I say WhatsApp is because they will save your number, okay? Or you can also send them broadcast message. So with WhatsApp, you can kill 2 birds with a stone. They will view your stories, your WhatsApp status when they save your number and save theirs. And you can also be sending them broadcast message of your offers. Remember, if you want to reduce time wasters, make sure that your video is engaging, captivating, and has enough details that will make people know exactly what action to take and how to purchase. Let's take, for instance, you are selling this gym glove. You simply wear the glove, right? In your video, you wear the glove. You show people how to wear the glove and how comfortable it is on the hand, on your palm, right? You wear it, you show them how it can hold there, how it can grip. You show example. You show them how comfortable it is. Then you show other people also using the same gloves, because people like to buy from where other people are buying. People like to go to where other people are going to. Show them how it is done, how it is used, how comfortable, how very rich, nice it is. Then also show them that other people are using it. Show other people using it on their hands. See, do you understand? Clean, crisp, nice videos, less than 1 minute. Tell them why this thing is better than other gloves, right? And then use this glove in the gym also. Make your video in the gym. Show yourself using it. Show other people using it in the gym, and people saying that, oh wow, I love it, it's comfortable, it's nice. That's all. Run advert. People will DM you on Instagram. People will DM you on WhatsApp. They will order for it. They will buy it. You are making money. The only downside is that it will take a lot of your time because you have to continue responding to messages. You have to keep responding to messages. But I mean, you have time. If you don't have money, you should have time. You cannot say you don't have money and you don't have time. What do you have? Who does that? So yeah, making money is not that difficult. You just need the right knowledge and then take the right action. So that's the simplest way to start e-commerce without wasting time. This year, go into the market, search for hot problem solving products, make videos, take pictures, have alternative products, post 3 reels per day on your Instagram. After 2 weeks, start running adverts. You'll be shocked at the amount of money that you will make. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share this video with as many who find it helpful. If you have any questions about e-commerce, about dropshipping, Facebook ads, whatever it is, drop them in the comment box here, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. All right? Thanks, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.